jumping off the cliff, gotta take a trip. Slow ride when I'm off the shit, buckle in.
Hey, so what's up YouTube? So hey, today I came over to my lunchtime. We're gonna go ahead and see if we can go ahead and knock out this aluminum drive shaft. Alright. So here's the drive shaft real quick. Hey, so here's the drive shaft right here. We need an 18mm wrench, alright, to hold this in place so we can knock out these bolts. Then we're gonna come down this way. And I don't know if you can see right here, in my hands pointing, you're going to need 14mm bolts that you're going to use to take these off right here. And then after we take these off and we take those off down there, we should be able to slide this thing right out and put the new one up. So hang tight. And we're going to see if we can knock this thing out in about 45 minutes. Alright, I got an hour and a half. And I think with all the editing, we'll get it done. Alright, so let's get hot. So I got my two bolts off. So this is off. See it? So I now got my step one. Now we're going for step two. We're gonna go ahead and tackle these bolts over this way. I was going to use an impact drill, but then it doesn't fit, obviously, and it's probably a bad idea. I want these controls, I don't want them to strip or take any chances of stripping. So I'm using a number 17mm socket to pull this off, and another one to hold it like this. So I'm going to do that now, and then we'll be back when it's off. So there it is. Here's the old one right there. See, it has this knuckle in the middle. It kind of takes away from the power getting to the wheels a little bit. So all we're doing, we're not per se giving it more horsepower. We're allowing the horsepower that's already there to be readily available, kind of at an instant, right? So much you could think of it as making it more responsive. So we're about to put this new piece in real quick, and then I'll be right back. So right there, all four bolts are in, torque down. It's 54 pounds of torque, what the manual calls for. And then aluminum drive shaft all the way down. Oh, so that does it for today's video. I'm gonna go ahead and lower this thing down and get out of here and head back to work. I think we got 45 minutes. We'll see once I play everything back. But that's it. How to install your aluminum drive shaft. Remember those size sockets that I recommended you're gonna need, and how many pounds of torque if you're using the torque wrench in the back. All right. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Here shortly, somewhere here, over here, or shoot, man, even down here somewhere. And let me know what y'all want to see next. All right. Till next one. Just another G.